Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation here from year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the AC air conditioner is located, guys. Which fuses you need to check, up to 3 of them. Where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to always, guys, test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys. Because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So what we have here specifically now, we are going to demonstrate on this 2017 Toyota Camry that we have right here, guys. You have, by the way, 2 different fuse boxes, but today we'll be working just one of them. The fuse box that we need is on the driver's side. Open the door on the driver's side. And if you look under the dash, above the pedals, towards the left side, all the way upside down, you will see one white cover. Okay, and open that white cover, you will see a fuse box layout underneath it. That will look, okay, if we, let me zoom in a little bit so you can see clearly, it will look just like this one. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check 3 fuses. The first fuse, guys, for the AC air conditioning system is fuse number 1, 2, 3. That 10 amp fuse right here. That fuse need to be checked. Then that's fuse number 4. That's 38. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fuse number 10 will need to be checked as well. So fuse number 3, fuse number 10. After that, you need to check fuse number 25. This fuse on the bottom, 7.5 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.